Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N53 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the security. Now let's tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Enter the screen lock if you've got one, and as you can see I've got one fingerprint added, so let me first of all remove it so I can show you everything how it looks like. So let's tap on it, again confirm it, and tap on the fingerprint. This is the very first step of adding the fingerprint. You will be transferred to this section whenever you've got the screen lock set. If not, you have to do it right now, so set the pattern pin or password, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device, so it's crucial. Here we've got, of course, the information about the fingerprint, so what you can do with that. So let's simply tap on I agree. And all we have to do right now is to add our fingerprint, and we could do it just by putting our finger on the sensor, which is located on the power button on the right side. So let me do it. Let me simply put my finger on the sensor and do it multiple times to add the fingerprint fully. So to try to catch every corner, every place for better recognition, of course. Okay, we've just added the fingerprint. We can add another or simply tap on done. That's the section with the fingerprints. We do not have really a lot of options. We can either remove it or rename it just by tapping on it. It's up to you. But let's lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.